2 months. 2 months of beard growing has happened. It's come by. It's gone. We're almost in. Well, we're into the 3rd month of beard growth already, and I kind of can't believe it. 3 months of growing a beard. Wait, 2 months of growing a beard. Let's not get ahead of ourselves. It's a good achievement. Most guys you'll find actually trim their beard within the 1st week or the 2nd week because they get that itchy, flaky stage of beard growth because they're not using the right products or not using any products, they're not looking after their skin, and they just kill their beard instantly. So to get to 2 months is a good start on the year. Obviously this isn't my 1st year, but it's my strictest year yet. I'm really not trimming too much. And for any of you that don't know, I'm Daniel, I'm from Beardster, and we make a ton of content like this. And a couple of months ago, maybe back in March sort of time, I think I was doing my 10-month beard update for that kind of year, or just a year's worth of growth project that I was doing. And I wanted a beard stash at that point. Like, I was dead set on going a bit short and having a bit of fun. And a couple months later, after I hit the 12-month mark, I went for the beard stash and rocked that for a couple of months. But then I decided I wanted to do something. I wanted to document a year, and I just wanted to document any issues that come up. So as soon as you start growing your beard out, if you run into these issues, jeez, I cannot talk today. If you run into these issues when you're growing your own beard out for however long you decide, you can just quickly type it in, check out our channel, and find the solution. It was that simple. And really, since the 1st month of growth, there's not been too many problems with beard growing. It's been going really well. The beard is actually in the last week come into itself. Like, there's no patches. It's growing really thick and really fast. The white hairs I've got really thick and long. Like, I'm gonna have some serious long white hairs. Maybe it might just be the one. I had that before. I had this really long white grayish hair. It's more grey actually. It was grey at the time, but now it's gone really long. Like, so long and thick. It's like a tree trunk in comparison to the rest of the hairs, and it just stands out. And there's a bunch more in the neck beard coming through. And for any of you guys that don't know, I'm 26 and I'm starting to get grey hairs all around my head, hence why I get the skin fade hairstyle, haircut, whatever you want to call it. And yeah, the beard is sort of catching up, but I'm more than comfortable with that. I don't believe that you should dye your hair, you shouldn't dye your beard. You should just kind of rock what you've got and feel comfortable, because if you can't feel comfortable with how you look and what your body's giving you, like, what are you going to be comfortable about in life? So I just wanted to say that we're going to look to do some YouTube live and stuff like that going forward, and it'd be awesome to do like a Q&A episode at some point. So if you've got any questions, just whack them into the comments, and then I'll compile them and we can do it via a live episode, or we can make another video focusing on that. But guys, yeah, just follow the journey, have some fun, let me know how your beards are growing, and we'll go from there. And that's it. We'll see you very soon, guys. Make sure you obviously subscribe whilst you're here, hit the little bell to get notified when we go live, and we'll see you very soon. Goodbye.